Hello, first graders. My name is Mrs. Williams. I am a first grade teacher at Grant Elementary. I have been teaching the social studies lessons and hope you enjoy them. Today in social studies, we are in chapter 3, lesson 6, What is our world like? Our learning target is, I will know ways people in different places are connected. Vocabulary. Communicate, to give and get information. Transportation, the way goods and people move from place to place. Lesson 6, getting from here to there. Envision it. Circle the pictures that show ways you have used to go places. These answers may be different for everyone, but I know that I first drove in a car when I was young. I've also ridden in a bus to get to school and then eventually to work. I was in high school the first time I ever rode an airplane, and in college the first time I ever rode a train. What kinds of transportation have you used? Think of a glass of orange juice. It takes many steps to get the juice to your glass. Workers pick the oranges, trucks move them to a factory, workers make the oranges into juice, they put the juice into bottles, trucks move the bottles to the stores. Then you could buy the juice and pour it into a glass. Transportation. Transportation is the way goods and people move from place to place. Trucks, airplanes, and ships are kinds of transportation. Trains, buses, and bikes are kinds of transportation too. We use transportation to go places. Sellers use it to move goods to stores. Buyers use it to go to the stores to buy goods like orange juice. Question 1 says, write words to finish the sentence. I use transportation when I go to... Where are some places that you go? Lately, we haven't been going very many places, but I have gone to the store. I think I'll write the words, the store. I use transportation when I go to the store. Communication. You can communicate with people who live far away. To communicate is to give and get information. You can write a letter. You can use the telephone. You can use your computer to send a note. Hello, first graders. Our next activity is doing a picture sort. The instructions are, look at the pictures, drag each one to the correct place on the chart. Our options are communication or transportation. Remember, communication are ways in which people give and get information, and transportation are ways that goods and people get from place to place. This is a photo of a girl sending a letter. Is it communication or transportation? She is sending information to someone, so that's a form of communication. A photo of a girl writing an email. She is also sending information to someone, so that is communication. A photo of a car. Cars are used to get people from place to place, so that is transportation. A train is also a way to get from place to place, so that's transportation. This boy is talking on a cell phone. That's a way to get or give information, so he's probably communicating with someone. and an airplane. That gets goods and people from place to place. So it's a form of transportation. Assignment. Use your computer to log into Clever, find Office 365 Outlook, and write an email to your teacher. Or make an accordion book of different types of transportation. Write a sentence about each. In the next section, I will be showing you examples of both of these. Hello, first graders. It is Mrs. Williams here. I'm here to talk to you about your 2 assignments. Your first assignment is going to be emailing your teacher. And I have my share screen on. And what you're going to be doing is logging on to your Clever page. And you're going to look for this icon. It is Office 365. Some of them might be way down here and all this other information, but if it is down here in this information, click on the heart and make sure that the heart, make sure that the heart turns red because that will make it a favorite. And once it is marked as a favorite, it will always be at the top of your Clever pages, so favorite resources. And once you click into Office 365, you'll be able to see Outlook, OneDrive, all of these things. Once you're in Outlook, you're going to log into Outlook and you are going to create a new message and you're going to send this to your teacher. You could probably type in the last name of your teacher's name, Williams. Oh, and Mrs. Williams, Bonnie Williams pops up. You are going to do your teacher's name. So if it's Miss Smith or Miss Payne or Mrs. Mancini, any of your own teacher's names, you're going to be able to type that in. And then you're going to type in the subject. Social Studies assignment. Okay, now you need to send the message. I can communicate by email. It just has to be a little message, a message that shares information with your teacher. That is one assignment, and make sure that you sign it, Mrs. Williams, and send. It's as easy as that. So right here, I just have some regular typing paper. And what I did, my first step was to take this regular typing paper and fold it into half, the long way, so hot dog ways, and then cut down the middle. Okay, so I cut it down the middle. And then I end up with two pieces like this. Now with each of these pieces, I'm going to fold it into the center. So I folded it once into the center. Maybe you could fold it one more time. And so now you have two pieces with a lot of rectangles on it, correct? Now I'm going to take glue and I'm going to put it on one of my rectangles. Oh, that glue is out. That's why I went and got a second glue. And just a little bit of glue. And you're going to glue two of the rectangles together to create an accordion book. And see, now you have one very long piece of paper. And then you're going to fold it just like an accordion. So the first one folds in, and then this way, and then you can turn it over and fold it this way, and turn it over and fold it down again. then turn it over again and fold it this way. So eventually when you open it up, it'll be like an accordion. Now, that is how you make an accordion book. Your assignment is to make an accordion book about transportation. And here I wrote on mine, transportation, getting from here to there. And I drew cars and trucks. Mom drives the car. Maybe you want to add Dad drives the truck. And then you'll turn the page, bus. I ride the bus to school. And then this is my folded page, so it kind of looks a bit big. Airplane. I fly in an airplane to visit my family. I can't wait to see what kind of transportation you add to your accordion books. Please make sure that you take a picture of your project if you make the accordion book and send it to your teacher. I hope you have a great day and enjoy exploring our world. Thank you. Bye-bye.